y'all, I had to load this car up with some stuff, but can y'all believe it's a nice day? Happy Saturday, December the 16th, y'all. Happy Saturday. It's going to be 50 degrees today. I am going to go for a walk, but I don't know if I'm going to take you guys along. But I wanted to let you guys know what my empties are. My empties are these, y'all, finally. I'm going to go ahead and take my last goalie, if it'll come out of here. I only got one left. It don't seem like it's going to come out. So let's see what we can take to get it out of here. Let me see if I can get this straw and get it out. This the last goalie, y'all. The last one. Because I bought a big thing of, see, that's the last one. I bought a big thing of apple cider vinegar with the mother. Just went on and bought the, you know, the glass thing. But guys, I'm gonna have the boys today, later, and then we're gonna decorate that table. So I don't know if it's gonna be a lot of noise or not. I'm just saying, we might have them. So that's what we're gonna do. I did bring my hat, y'all, and my gloves. Even though they're saying it's 50 degrees, I ain't playing no games, but it do feel good out here. But guys, yeah, I'm gonna head out. I'll see you guys later. Peace. So guys, I'm home. Why you put that right there? Say it right there. Apparently the boys are here. Here's Mark. Say hi, Mark.
Hi.
Look how big he getting, y'all. Turn around so they can see you. Is that not my twin, y'all? Mari, come here. So anyway, they wanted to go to the store, y'all. They had these they were $2.98, take $1 off, and then they took off 50 cents. So actually it was like $1. What was that, $1.15? Why do you break the cucumber? Put that up. Oh my God. So I got me these, because they can't have like chocolate. One of them can't have nuts. Hot chocolate. Got a couple of these I'm gonna add to the bar, coffee station. Then they wanted these, they're gonna get sent home with these. No! I got my vegan Doritos. They was like $6. I got them some Italian dressing, cream Italian. I got some decaf, some more walnuts to go in my jar, and some Boston, what is this? Oh, this is real living lettuce. Real living lettuce.
Wait.
So, this right here is living lettuce. Look at your brother. No, don't do that. But these are just things that I picked up for them while they're here. So, hold on, I'll let Mari say hi to y'all, and then I'm gonna get ready to chill with them, and then I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Y'all, so here's Mari. Say hi. He's eating a banana. They can't see your face. Say hi with your hand.
Hi, people.
He's also the twin too. But Mark's over here cleaning the lettuce, the living lettuce I was talking about. So I'm gonna come back with what we're gonna be doing with our changing out the table. Okay, y'all? You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Say bye, Mari.
Bye.
All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this. Come on, you wanna help me? Come help me. I need you to take. We're gonna do the table over, y'all. And I'm gonna add something that was in the kitchen. I need you to take this. Can't have this one, baby. I need you to take that. Take this over there. Just the tray. I think it's too much stuff on this table, y'all. And then the gold is doing too much because
it do too much to the
just
table.
set it over there on the floor. So I'm just gonna do the book, and don't worry about it if there's anything on there. This table needs to be wiped off. I'm gonna slide these over. I just think it was too much gold clashing, y'all. Then I'm gonna leave this on top of the book. Baby, give me that. Come give me that. Come get that. He wanna put it on here, and then I'll show y'all how it looked afterwards. Set it right here on the first one. Oh, it's cute. Right here. Yep, that's good. Go take it back in there. He's slicing the tomatoes. Okay, that's good. Put them in the refrigerator.
Say what up to people.
Watch out, baby. So put them over here. Hand me the candle. Hand me that big candle. I'm gonna throw in a picture of how it looked when I'm finished.
You want me to mix them up?
Hand me the candle. Right there. Yeah, you trying to help me? Right there. We're gonna set it right here. God bless you. All right, y'all. Then I'm gonna throw in what I think it looks like, and y'all let me know. Do y'all think that's enough? I think it's enough. I think it really is. All right, guys. he's gonna help me with this. So we're gonna pick this up. We're gonna leave everything as it is. I did move one of these mats. No, leave these here, honey. I'm gonna pick this up and put the gold thing right here.
What happened to
Put the gold tray right here. Put the gold tray right here. Pick up the gold tray and put it on the table in the center. Put it right here. There you go.
What happened to the other blue stuff?
That's great. We don't have any. It's only these three. All right, y'all. I'm gonna set this back in front.
You know this one?
I'm gonna set this right.
You got one down the way?
No, I only found three. Get that. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna set this right over here.
I need to do one.
Set it. Slide it over.
I need to do one.
You gonna do what your nana tell you? Okay.
That's what I'm telling you.
All right, y'all. I think that's enough. I just wanted to get rid of all the gold. It was too much gold on that table. Let me know that y'all think this looks better. I'm gonna throw in a clip, and y'all let me know. But that's gonna do it for me, y'all. My hands is full. I gotta go. So I will see you guys in another video. Okay?